Hello friends! We are here today with the second of our 2022 fall grab bags. If you missed that earlier video, I will link it down below where we unboxed Mary's seed grab bag. And October is that kind of month where all the seed companies, generally speaking, are clearancing out their old seeds, and a lot of them will do what's called a grab bag. They'll throw things together in a grab bag and you can get seeds for extra cheap this way. And if you're worried about the germination rate, don't be. As long as you store seeds in a cool, dry place, they will last for years and years and years. So this is a great way to bulk up your seed storage for really super cheap at the end of the season before they put out their next year's seeds. Today we have the grab bag from True Leaf Market, and we are going to compare. We're going to see if this one's worth it and which one was a better option, which one was a better grab bag. This one was a little more expensive, but it's supposed to have 40 packages of seeds in it, and it was $39, so a little less than $1 per pack of seeds, and that was shipping and everything out the door. So let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. Now, if you'll remember, the Mary's grab bag had tons of variety. It had a good variety of winter seeds and summer seeds, and I really loved that about it. All right, we have our True Leaf Market little flyer postcard and order notification. And this came in a nice sealed package. It says non-GMO. Well, here's your hint. All consumer seeds that you can buy are non-GMO. You can't just go out and buy GMO seeds. So not necessarily false advertising, but advertising that's directed at misunderstanding, I guess. All right, let's see what is in this grab bag. It's a nice packaging. That is tons of seeds. Now, I will say right off the bat, I appreciate the fact that there's information on these seed packets. Mary's does not put the information on the seed packet, just the name of the product. So this makes it really nice when you're planting and when you're trying to figure things out. First, we have Mammoth Melting Sugar Snow Pea. This delicious edible pod snow pea is early, high yielding and productive. Flat pods are uniform, sweet, tender, and mature about 5 inches. The 4 to 5 foot vines should be trellised. So this sounds delicious. This sounds like it's gonna do great. I might try to plant some of these this fall still. I have some empty trellises that would be perfect for that. A straight 8 cucumber. This is gonna be great. I've seen these, I haven't ever planted the straight 8. The straight 8 is reliable, dual purpose for pickling and raw eating. I really like a good dual purpose pickle. We don't eat a lot of just cucumbers, we do a ton of pickling because I don't wanna plant a whole separate variety to eat fresh, since we just don't eat that many fresh. Black Beauty eggplant. I did plant some of these this year and they turned out actually really well. So I will be excited to plant these, and I don't have the seeds for them because I planted them from a plant I found on clearance at the nursery. So I'm glad to have these seeds. Small sugar pumpkin. I got these also in the Mary's grab bag of seeds. So next year is gonna be the year of pumpkin pies, I guess. We have red Russian kale, which is a deep gray-green leaves held up by red stems, turn deep purple and red in the cold weather. Tender, flavorful. I bet this would do really well in my green stock this fall and winter. Ruby red Swiss chard. This is going in my green stock. I love Swiss chard, and it's really done well in the green stock so far. Thyme. I needed some thyme seeds. I used all my thyme seeds last year and I didn't really have a good harvest. So this is gonna be great. So I didn't have the opportunity to save seeds. So now I have some extra thyme. Uh-oh, another thyme, 2 times. I have 2 times. Oh no, I have 2 red Russian kales. That's okay. Organic large cherry red tomato. So these are red cherry tomatoes. They're smaller, sweeter cherry style tomato with larger than other variants. Our little tomatoes did really, really well this year. We had a teeny tiny little spoon tomato and some Brad's Atomic grapes. So these probably will do well for us. So these will be great to try. Another red Russian kale, that's a third. Scarlet Nantes carrot. Popular as far back as the 1930s, tender sweet is considered one of the finest eating carrots. So this will be a fun one to try. We didn't have terribly good luck with carrots. We got a few, but our ground has been so hard. It just didn't go well this year for the carrots. But hopefully this next year we have better luck with the carrots. Purple dark opal basil. I haven't ever had this variety of basil, but we do love basil, not just to eat, but my little flower farmer likes to grow it to put in her bouquets. So it's gonna be great to have some. And another dark purple basil. So we've got a lot of duplicates in this pack, which isn't necessarily a horrible thing, but the Marys didn't have any duplicates at all. New red fire leaf lettuce. This prize head leafy lettuce is a non-heading type with exceptionally large leaves. This would also be great for the green stalk. I will definitely try it. And again, 2 packs of this. Chinese parsley coriander. Another seasoning that's going to be great to go in the garden. And yet another Scarlet Nantes carrot. Rocket arugula. I grew some arugula, or I should say I tried to grow some arugula in the green stalk, and it kind of sprouted and then kind of died back. So I will be glad to try again this year. Another straight 8 cucumber. Let's see, I need to start sorting these to actually see how many varieties I got. And another straight 8 cucumber. Broccoli, sprouting green calabrese. Now this broccoli, I do have some seeds for this broccoli. So, yep, that should be the standard good green broccoli though. Ruby red Swiss chard again. Okay, this is a different pea. Edible potted snow pea, Oregon sugar pod 2. This one is one you can eat the pod and everything. It's sweet and crispy. I definitely want to try this too. I want to try several different peas varieties. I have a King Tut pea that's a nice purple good pea, and I have a sugar pea, and then I could try both of those. Another ruby red Swiss chard. I'm going to be swimming in Swiss chard. And another thyme. And another thyme. Another straight 8 cucumber, another calabrese broccoli, another ruby red Swiss chard, another Scarlet Nantes carrot. Can you tell what they had trouble selling, I guess? 2 more red cherry tomatoes. And then 2 of these organic Waltham broccoli. This one says it's been cultivated to deliver higher yields, more uniformity with more repeat harvests. Native to bitter New England, chill is compact, cold, hardy American staple for home gardeners, farmers markets, and farms. So we will see. Some of these brassicas and greens really need a colder snap than we get to really get fully flavored, but I'll try them and see how they taste here in Oklahoma. Kentucky Wonder pole bean. This is going to be great. I wanted this year to try a pole green bean, and this is a good pole green bean because I had all my green beans this year were in the ground, and we had lots of grasshoppers, and a lot of them got really nibbled over. So it'll be great to try those. Thyme. Hey, thyme is on my side, y'all. But Calabrese broccoli, red Russian kale, romaine lettuce. So this is a good standard. Romaine lettuce is gonna be great in my green stock. Again, Calabrese broccoli, and another romaine lettuce. So let's just see. Overall, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 18 varieties from this pack. If we're just going straight from variety, Mary's edges them out. And even though it had only 17 packs, it was 17 different packs. And I believe that that was the case with M.I. Gardner as well. I tried to order an M.I. Gardner pack, but they were sold out before I could get one. Maybe I will be able to order one when he puts them back in stock. We'll see. But there's a lot of repeats in this. But I will say this is a lot of seeds, and it's a lot of really useful, good, sturdy varieties. And there are 42 seed packets here, I just counted, and at $39, that would put it right at 92 cents per seed packet, which that's a really amazing deal for a lot of these organic seeds that are really high quality. So this was a good buy. But I would say if you're looking for the excitement of a variety pack, Mary's probably still has the edge. It just depends on what you're looking for in a variety pack. Now, what I am going to do, because I have so many duplicates, is I'm going to break out those duplicates into a couple of packs, and we'll do a live in the next few weeks, and we will give some of those away. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled for that. Thanks so much for joining us.